Hajrong katong wopen ku ye kam risniang hapo ka than chanen mi sngi yong kri India wakan thup le ya kajala Meghalaya kamte ha ka pratri uni ubnai ne liang ka ICAR National Research Center on Peak Guwahati Assam chirup ye kre lang ka KVK Jaiñtia Hills deilang ka ATMA East Jaiñtia Hill District da ye chem gi wa ki warep ka than East Jaiñtia Hill District ha east side in lat rambai bypass chnong jalia Wyrta sam ki ye baam sniang ki mixer grinder ki borti ki light hejo ipor dapan sngau tho gi chaki warep heya to ikam risniang ris ya ringap sandakha waki wi na jrong irep iriang ini ilai sam bam sniang kam ju ki tiar wa kam chaki warep man gale chi benta ka research extension farmers interface meeting and input distribution program yong ka ICAR National Research Center on Peak ka wahab hapo ka AICRP on Peak NRCP a tribal subplan Hagayalang chwawo sambam sniang de emlang u Dr. VV Gupta, Director ka ICAR, NRC on Peak kam ukongsan, ka JU Kharpuri, Additional Deputy Commissioner East Jaiñtia Hill District kam kasembut kongsan, hey emlang ki saheb sorkar waki wakre ka chnat irep iriang, iri merat ki warep wa kiwi. Neliang ukongsan hawa kelam ongu kam ki wachong chnong ka thain mto utip duo bam, tang wato utip le kamon wopen mi nari yakisniang. Wai kam waka sorkar India juk pen yo ke cibuni sikai nei benta wolai chagi warep uya kalam hajrong yo pen ku ye rep kathong yong gani kesengi le man ko yo pen snya thu hajrong kamon upen ku ye pen mi sniang wai kamon iri sniang yarap ko upen kala ye rukom im wai yo ikot ha ka thain chanen mi sngi heya to waki bam sniang kam juk ki tiar wa kam wa de gani kesengi ongo de khenjo ki chaka khatsan khan rolang wakan thup ki bam sniang kam wasan spa churia ki mixer grinder ki borti ki light ki waye uyarap he im waman kesengi ki warem khana haro uwa ka ICAR go nei benta wo yarap ya ki warep lang ba isikai nei training ya ki lasya kam gi najrong wo ki tiar wa kam chaki wa hadin habut lang ba yo sikai daw ye ki upen ku da ki ya ki hi we ye ki le oman kam ki waseng kam Niliang ka Elakiang District Agriculture Officer in charge District Horticulture Officer in charge Project Director ATMA East Jaiñtia Hill District U Dr. M. Lamari District AH and Veterinary Officer East Jaiñtia Hill District hawa kalam da kentu yak wachong chunong ka thain East Jaiñtia Hill District wo khur ungi cha irep iriang ikam rimran ka waman kalat imja we ka wo yo kamai poisa kamjo Hagani kesengi de yo ala ikalam na U Dr. R. Suchiang Subject Matter Specialist AH and Veterinary KVK Jaiñtia Hills na U G. Kharchandi Deputy Project Director ATMA East Jaiñtia Hill District Kadwa ye kelam pen sngau tho heya to we rukom risniang kar kam ka juk stat thamin de yo na Dr. PJ Das Principal Scientist ICAR NRC on Ping
Department yang iri kamu depan ini masih depu i wam kam cenderang deh de daga tu artificial insemination mat ko pun kon kam cenderang kayak kisniang lakan ya asilong itai apor silong idele kati kisniang la tadapun ma wa priang gibru to ile wa duna wa bun ko priang gibru to wa snya suki ka wa to wa uri itu serang kam dari kita mbolisu wan sien poi depoi to songkha to mas kasliang wan gile ai di debiang ijing jo wa iti inject le man gi wa 90 Hadooh 95% man wo tikna pada pun kon kesnian kadani to ko ka jing stat science ka ni gua napo betri kwa pun sia jadi yo luti man ye bun be kam ni uri gini kesnian daw yo bori napo depan ben napo district veterinary ni le yo kalam sai sene ni wan ra le ite i urkom pun kha khoni kesnian de ke inject to yo luti de gajing chong chip yang pi le de gajing kwa yang pim to kwa abi ong ngayo skim atau wan ni wayo gitu sorkar yang awan kan ni ong chwai pi yo di pi de makna kan ni awa chiminu inu la embai kate ka hap kre chitong di khnang yo itai so to yo luti le kate ka di kre chitong yo pi len che khamat ilu yo bor yo msi ni khnang wa depan ben bun sin ong yo pi depan ben men kami kan kanu ko department go kwa yo bi pu to MD paj ba ko penwit manawan si yang bi grip kasniang i hap pak doktori manawan si man kasniang ngamte i hap thu la tu ti kidawai kidi chin ape Untuk ada kami review bisa keluar lem kat ni MKM kedua MKM vaksin ki MKM baru na dong cedong. Untuk man kam mencuba ada pelaj hat biam kat ni MKM kena dong cedong kena wa itu ki merapi du MGP. Kat kam te kan ni na cemu kan ni galat ko bui bi sa ba cem ki galat putih na do ko treatment na do vaksin kena wa laj kini kistia yang pi biap kelam ni. Kat ni senyawa pi kita kelam go ong ASF wa medicine wan ka khoi. Bun wari go do mesin kampung to. Mana yang Kristian yang icem mie sumar Kristian. Terpada bisa apa wan icem, bukan doktor yang ile ne wan cakap department yang ile kenang ini kita dawai kita cin kita go etika go yadai kita merap yang pi kenang ye ule urak pembiang.
Him yaki kam kita ki kre ki open imjai pi. Lada kerunyi ne liang ko horticulture. Ki floriculture, ki ginger, ki turmeric, ki sok, ki pi yang pi warep. Kita tu ki yiu pen ki yiu livelihood ya pi. Hadooh ringap, hadooh ka apiculture, lani ka mushroom, ka thungtit. Kita tu ki kre ki ikam ki nong rep. Ha ka juk ko ni MK perkat jengai. Untuk du ite, wat hadooh ka piggery, ka sniang, hadooh ka tiar, ka poultry, hadooh ka fishery. Kita tak undang rep kre untuk dua yang agri, horti, Henry. Kita ki allied activities ki ongi ki yiu pungku ya kata ke yok kokot yang ki nong rep yang ini. Kata tak kuah ukuntu usneng ukuntu imensi dari pi. Kam ki nong rep ki kian ki dai ki hapo ke ni ka district yang ini. Umhor upen julori hapek hap sendong ya ke ni ka meriang ke yang ini. Ya ka sudong ka supun yang i hak makani ka nei bha ha ka ta ka thau rep ka ba ka yong nga ha ka ta ka thau bo thung sin thung chermit la da ka ni ka sudong supun yang pi do ko ai ka ta ka ecological balance ko ong i em ka ta ka jing her ka tarajur wa ki te ki jing im ki em sudong supun yang i utau ko ba dau em ka jing chak ta utau chermit pila dau em ka jing chak ta Hadooh kiwan ki jing thung, dadam piang kata kata rojol, yang kini ke sodong sukun, dau em jing kata apa, ya kini ki jing thung jing ta. Te iwan ni keski upan kerniat ko i lemba, kini ke program kepada organize, daga KBK, wa kini ki atma functionaries, ki wa manle, ki officials, ki wa yiu chudu ipi, ki wa yiu han hul ipi, ha kita ki kre yang pi.
Almost 15 to 16 lakhs rupees, which includes the 500 bags of animal feed, especially piggery feed. Some very important items for household ladies, there's a mixture grinders, there are searchlight batteries, buckets. These are small items which are day-to-day, which help you in your day-to-day life and promote your livelihood and lifestyle. Madam, our purpose which has been given to Government of India was by way of promoting the piggery in the tribal farmers. We do not want that they should grow and eat themselves and survive. That's not our purpose. Our purpose is to train them to the extent where they can grow for themselves and for others also, and slowly by way of their capacity building, by certain kind of trainings, they should become the entrepreneurs, so that they can supply the pig which they produce in their own units to other parts of the country. I can give you the example. In the recent past, you have heard that African swine fever disease. Because of that, so many pigs have been killed, died because of that disease, because there is no vaccine for that. So still there is a lot of mortalities going on different parts, especially Mizoram, Assam, some part, and Meghalaya also a lot of mortalities happened. By saying this, that what I wanted to communicate, because there was a deficit of the animals in this region, so people from Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, they supplied large number of pigs to this region. And I can tell you the last year itself, it was a 2,000 crore rupees business of piggery, especially in Northeast region, by the people from other states. So why can't the people from this state, we are the major consumer of the pig, can produce pig for themselves by using certain scientific mean of rearing, by avoiding the African swine fever type of diseases. So by keeping all these points in our mind, we did give the trainings also. Under Atma also, I will talk to the coordinator, Atma project coordinator, that if we can select certain farmers and bring them to Guwahati, where we can train them. If they are tribal, we can afford all sort of expenditure, their boarding, lodging for up to 3 to 5 days program, or through KVK also. This is our third and fourth program in the West Jaiñtia also. We produced last year 2 programs. This is the first in this particular region. And our institute is located in just very border of the Meghalaya. So in Chirang area, where this also conduct few programs in that part of also. So this is a kind of a starting. I want to see that farmers from this area, especially the pig farmers, can grow, and what kind of support we can give in terms of animals, their feed, and whatever things are required.